infant car seat or a convertible car seat? Which one do you actually need? I'm Hailey Jacoby, and I'm a child passenger safety technician and instructor. When starting your registry, you'll need to choose between either an infant car seat or a convertible car seat, or both. Infant seats are portable. Most click in and out of a base that stays in your vehicle and can click into a stroller and create a travel system. It's the seat you'll likely use to bring baby home from the hospital. The trade-off is that you only get about a year of use out of it. Most babies outgrow their infant seat at around 12 months. A convertible car seat starts rear-facing, then flips to forward-facing as your child grows, so you'll get many years' use out of it. Since baby does transition to it eventually, some families find it beneficial to start with a convertible car seat from the start, but they're not portable and they don't attach to strollers. They're designed to be installed in your car and stay there. So how to choose? The vast majority of baby list families start with an infant seat. And for most parents, the portability makes those early months a lot easier. Budget is also a factor. An infant seat has a shorter lifespan, so you will need to purchase a convertible eventually. One thing we hear from parents all the time is that they were caught off guard by how soon they needed a convertible car seat. Registering for a convertible car seat and an infant car seat means you're not scrambling to research and buy another seat during those busy early stages. Ultimately, there's no wrong answer. Both options are great and safe when used correctly. Register for both.